how to transform your voice with AI. So first you want to create an account if you don't have one already, and I'm going to put a link in the description below which you can use to sign up and try this for free. Now once you have an account already, you can click on the create button. Now let's assume that you have an audio file recorded somewhere on your PC or your mobile device. Now you want to click on audio to sing, and then click on upload song. Then click on the arrow here to pick and upload your audio. Now once you do upload your audio, you will be able to pick a target voice that you want to basically convert the audio to. But this is currently a premium feature, which is about €2 per month. Now once you do that, you should be able to pick from the voices library right here. If you press create, you should be able, for example, to convert your voice to Donald Trump voice, for example. You pick this, you should be able to hear an example of the voice.
To feel your heart beating.
You can also hear it in the female version.
I don't even wanna.
So once you find your favorite voice or the voice that you want to use, click on the create button, usually under the voice, and then click on audio to sing. You can either upload the audio from your computer. You can choose from the library to choose a song or an audio. You can use text to speech. Basically enter a text and the AI will say it under this voice or using this voice. You can also press the record button and start recording yourself through the mic directly. And then the AI will use this and convert it to Donald Trump voice, from your voice to Donald Trump voice. And that's pretty much it. I find this AI is very easy to use for voices and music and covers. And it also has cheap pricing compared to other AI tools. That's pretty much it for this video. You should find the link in the description below if you wanna try it out. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.